Hi everybody, this is Red Sonia. Today I'm going to check out a Victorinox I picked up off of eBay. It says it's a camper. It's used. Now let's see what kind of condition we got. Thank you so much for your purchase. We hope that you enjoy it. At the Flip Farm. Cool. Very well packaged. It's in pretty good shape. It has someone's name on it. Miss Devon. There's a couple of the usual stuff. It has the tweezers, toothpick. I'm going to freshen those up. I want to replace the scales, of course. Let's take a look at the knife. That looks pretty good. There's a place for the pin, hole for the pin, but no pin. Oh, these would always get my nail. There we go. A little bit rough on the end. I think it has hit this thing a few times. I usually take these off or put a smaller one on because this always catches on that. But otherwise in pretty good shape. And this is the camper. The camper version, so so it'll look pretty good. Oh, the inside looks nice. Okay, and here's another challenging one. Be careful opening these because they will bite you. That looks good too. Okay. And the long blade. Now I will say that this one looks a little different than my other one. Where's big blade? So on my other one, it says Victorinox Switzerland stainless. And this one it says Victorinox Swiss made stainless. So I'm assuming different years. That's why. And then on the back, my old one has Officier Suisse with a little picture. It looks like an umbrella with a plus, actually. But the other one does not. It just says Officier Suisse. But otherwise the blade looks alright. a small blade. That one looks pretty good too. Okay. Try not to get myself on that. And yeah, the inside looks pretty good. I was concerned, you know, maybe I got a rusty one or something, but no, it looks good. So I want to change the scales, and then you know, maybe add a few things, screwdriver, and maybe the ferro rod. But overall, it's pretty good. I think I paid a total of $15 and change with shipping, which I think is quite reasonable. I was noticing, I was looking online for some new scales, and right now seems to be a very challenging time to find them. On eBay, I found a lot of sites, but most of them were either Russia, who does not want to do business with the United States at this time, or the Ukraine, and in big writing it says, obviously due to circumstances, shipments might be delayed. And I tend to agree that's totally a possibility. So I am on the hunt. But for right now, it's a good knife. And I'm going to see what I can do to find at least, you know, some refill parts. And go from there. I'll keep you posted. Thanks for joining me while I check out my new purchase from eBay from, what was it, Flip? Let me check. The Flip Farm. And this is the camper. If you did like the video, please like and subscribe and stay posted. I plan on changing the scales and a few other things on this knife. I've been watching Felix Imler. He has a channel, and he tells you all about how to upgrade your knife and all sorts of tips and tricks. I definitely recommend him. And he's just fun to watch anyway, but he has some great insight on different things that you can do with your knife and how to modify it if you want to. But thanks again for joining me, and I hope you have a great night.